We have had record-breaking sales every single month. In the past, if we had a 5 or 8%, we were thrilled. And now we're seeing numbers like 18, 20, 25%.
Our biggest thing is our looker to buyer ratio. Before SalesRX, it was around 35, and now on average, it's between 48 and 52%.
Instead of doing the, hey, how you doing? How are you today? We're more able to engage that customer with some of the opening questions that we were taught, the direction that we take to meet them.
Our units per transaction was up, our dollars per transaction were up, all those like key performance indicators were up, and I really believe it was due to SalesRX.
The transformation has been amazing in terms of my team and their excitement about selling and wanting to sell and wanting to increase those units.
In addition to sales growing, our employee retention has increased significantly. You make someone a better salesperson, they're happier with their job, but more importantly, what drives most people at the end of the day is they're all making more money because they're selling more.